Welcome to Cooking with Coach Rob. Today, me and Shannon are going to cook these chicken breast medallions that are bacon wrapped. So it's going to take a bit of a time to cook it, which isn't a problem. And I'll show you the instructions here. We're going to do it in the oven, so we're preheating the oven to 400 Fahrenheit. Then we got to sear them on the frying pan first. And the debate me and Shannon just had is this costs like $10. Like everyone says I should do more cooking at home, but this costs like $10 for two of them. The way I look at it is like we could have gone to Burger King and we could have got the two cheeseburger special for like I think it's like $6 each person or something, like, so it would have been about a little more than this, but less like way less hassle. But we decided to cook it today since I already bought it, even though it doesn't expire for a few more days. But yeah, because we didn't work today, so we'll give it a whirl. How's that sound, Shannon?
Sounds good.
Yeah. So right now I'm preparing the to cook it. It says to use a bake sheet. I don't have a small bake sheet, but it says if you had a bake sheet you would line it with a foil. But I'm just gonna use one of these like pans similar to the ones we use at work. And we got the frying pan ready to go, but you're supposed to sear each side for a couple minutes first, and we're heating up the oven now to required 400 degrees. So we'll catch you back in a sec. Okay, everybody, we got the chicken then searing in the frying pan. You're supposed to do this for 2 minutes aside, right? Then you put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes at 400. So that's what we're gonna do. As you can see, the first side has been seared. Then we'll put it in the oven like at the 400 degrees for the 20-25 minutes like it says. And we'll definitely check the temperature before we eat it, because it has to be like 165 Fahrenheit. So there you go, it's coming on pretty good. Please like and subscribe and check out all the other videos on the channel. Okay, as you can see, everyone, we got it in the oven and we're going to cook it for about 23 minutes, so we'll come back and check the temperature. So we'll talk to you in a bit. As you can see, the timer says 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Then we'll pull it out and we'll definitely do a temperature check first. It's got to be like 165. Okay, so we got the oven temperature. We're going to do the temperature check, and it says 151. It's going up slowly, so I say we got to put it back in for another few minutes, because it's not quite at the 160 yet, everyone. So as you can see, we're going to put it in for another 5 minutes, so it wasn't quite at the 165 temperature as you saw. Okay, we're doing another temperature check on our, and it's at 170, so that's above the 160 requirement. So me and Shannon are going to have this now. We'll give us our impressions in a sec. Okay, Shannon's going to try the chicken breast medallions wrapped in bacon.
It's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
And I'm blowing it.
It looks cooked, is it? Well, it's at the temperature. It's good. Well, it's good. Good. Okay, everybody, I'm going to try my first impression now of the thing, eh? Charlie. Oh, we said it again. I think it's pretty good, eh?
It's worth getting again.
Yeah, we'll definitely get them again, but it's it's nice when you have the time to cook it. It's you wouldn't want to do it if you had to eat quickly, like. Right, because it probably does take close to a half hour altogether. Well, you got to heat up the oven. So once the oven's heated up, it's about a half hour in total because you got to sear it first.
Right.
So I guess everyone, please like and subscribe. Oh no, but before we do that, we gotta get Shannon to try these guys. Hang on. So Shannon's gonna try the crinkle cut potato chips.
Okay.
Remember the ones? Remember I did a video before.
Right.
Oh.
What?
Shannon does not like them. Oh wow, that's a big surprise. But anyway, Shannon liked the chicken though, right? Okay,
These kind of taste like cardboard.
okay, everyone, please like and subscribe, everyone. We'll see you in the next video.